Hi again, this is Rick Ratchford with AmazingAccuracy.com, and we're looking at the daily chart of the Canadian dollar. And what I wanted to demonstrate in this video here is one approach to looking for corrective support in an obvious trend. In this case here, you can see that I have plotted a two-bar swing lines on my daily chart here. And note that each of these two-bar swings formed higher than the previous one, and it went that way all the way until today, which currently is September 13th. This bar here is September 12th, so I have not updated my chart yet for September 13th. But what I want to show here is a characteristic pattern of a bullish trend where you have higher swing bottoms, and you could also have higher swing tops, but more importantly, for a bull trend you want higher swing bottoms. And not once did a two-bar swing violate a previous one, although there are allowances for that to happen once, and to happen only if it goes below one previous swing bottom, not two. For example, this swing bottom here, might have been able to go below here, but not below both of them, and still be considered a bull. But anyway, that's a whole different lesson and video. Now, as this particular bull trend in the Canadian dollar was getting underway, let's take, for example, the first two-bar swing top here that you see. Once this two-bar swing formed, as you can see, we have a higher high here, and then it's followed by, here's one lower low, and then here's another lower low that confirms that is a two-bar swing top, and then sets up for a swing bottom to show up later. The question is that is this, let's say for example, if we were here, is this at support? And what I want to do is just start applying some 45-degree squares to this chart, only for the purpose of not trying to forecast how high price might go, but to see if I can find support on the corrections, just the corrections themselves, because it's the end of the corrections that I would want to look for getting into a trade. And so I'm going to apply it, for example, on this first swing top here, and as you can see that it found initial support here, it rallied up, and then it found final support right here. So that worked out pretty good, and prices moved up. And of course, having like F dates, for example, to have you focusing on a particular price bar really goes a long way. But we won't be focusing on F dates in this particular video. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Now prices then moved higher and formed the next two-bar swing top, and we're looking for support levels, and we're going to be looking again for support levels before reaching 100%, which would be all the way back down to where the last one was, because we're looking for higher swing bottoms. So again, I'll apply the 45-degree squares here, and we've had support at this area right here. Don't look for exact, but you just want to look for the general area for support. So okay, so that worked pretty good. Then prices rose again even higher. When it then confirmed a swing top and started moving down, again we started looking for support all the way down to the 100% level here, because we know that if it went below that, then we could be looking at possibly a trend change, and that's not what we're looking for at this time. So we're looking for the bull to continue. We apply the 45-degree squares there, and again we got support again. So that so far it's working pretty good. So that's great. And then prices continue to move up. It made a series of one-bar swings, like right here's a one-bar swing bottom. Here's another one-bar swing bottom. I think there's one probably in here somewhere. But looking for two-bar swings for the overall trend pattern, and we come all the way up here, and Again, one lower low, two lower low, it confirmed that swing top. We're looking for our support level. We apply the 45-degree thing again, and it does look like it found support here, and then has moved up ever since. So anyway, just one of the things I just wanted to bring out is how you can use your squares to look for support. More important than looking for targets, upside targets in a bull trend, is to look for corrective targets for trade entry purposes. And of course, we want to look for this kind of a pattern if we're going to maintain a bullish bias, and then the opposite, lower swing tops, if we're looking at a bearish bias and to take sells. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll be informed immediately of any new video postings, and please visit my website at www.amazingaccuracy.com. Thanks again for watching.